The Ministry of Home Affairs (MHA) has extended an invitation to United Naga Council (UNC), the apex Naga body, for talks on the contentious issues of border fencing and also the suspension of the Free Movement Regime (FMR) along Indo-Myanmar border. According to officials, the meeting is scheduled for August 26 in New Delhi. The invitation sent by A.K. Mishra, advisor Northeast to MHA, was addressed to UNC President N.G. Lodho, requesting the presence of a delegation at the meeting. The development comes just days after a UNC team met Manipur Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla at the Raj Bhavan in Imphal on August 16 to press its concerns on the two issues. Naga bodies have been opposing the construction of border fencing in Naga-inhabited areas along Indo-Myanmar boundary and also against scrapping of Free Movement Regime, terming it as a threat to what it terms as the Naga ancestral homeland.